for crazy, quirky things that you can find all around Tokyo. Well, here's another one. If you're in Shibuya Station, head towards exit 3. Exit 3. And we'll take a walk along here, and maybe you can see it in the distance. You have vending machines all the time with drinks and snacks, but this vending machine is one of a kind. Bananas. So they've got two different types or two different packaging. I'm not quite sure what the difference is. These bananas are 150 yen and these bananas are 180 yen. And yeah, you can get a banana out of a vending machine. It's right outside Village Vanguard and by these drink machines. Check it out.